For the first time in Rosemurg Navi Mumbai Premier League Season 4, it has happened that both the matches have been won by the team who has defended the total over here. Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemurg NMPL Season 4. Proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemurg NMPL, an outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. Time to thank all our sponsors. Title sponsor Rosemurg Limited, official streaming platform Waves ODT and DD Sports. Associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Networth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters, Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Copper Kherne Titans, Sarva Mangal Equity Assets Management Private Limited, Sanpada Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management Limited over here, Meera Bhander Lions, Move Moda, Oroma Ventures Private Limited, Kalyan Tusker, Zest, 1 point always. Talking about the result of the match, Srimad Bhagwat Sanpada Scorpions won this game by a huge margin of 104 runs over here. And they moved to number 3 in the points table. Now it is time to introduce our guest. Starting from my left, we have got Dr. Neelam Soni, founder of NMPL. Then to her left, we have got Mr. Prashant Gowdy, the selector of NMPL. First, can we have the Blasters captain Arun Yadav? Arun, गेंदबाजी उतनी अच्छी हुई नहीं और हार्दिक आज कुछ अलग ही मूड में थे.
हाँ, एक्चुअली हार्दिक ने आउटप्लेड कर दिया हमें. काफ़ी अच्छी बैटिंग की उसने, बहुत क्लीन शॉट्स खेले, तो गेम पूरा अवे चला गया.
लक्ष्य बहुत कठिन था, 243 रन का था, पर लेकिन बैट्समैन अगर थोड़ा एग्जीक्यूट करते तो 200 के आसपास तो बनाने का कोशिश करना चाहिए था.
जी कर सकते थे. थोड़े विकेट्स हमारे जल्दी चले गए, उसके बाद भी ट्राई किया बट नहीं हो पाया वो.
Really tough luck, all the best for future games. Time to call upon the winning captain Chinmay. Chinmay quite happy with the boys' performance, and what a knock man Hardik played today.
Yeah, the way he played was, that showed how experienced he is, and that 140, it was not an easy wicket to play on, but the way we batted as a unit was extremely, it was good to see.
Overall, the performance was amazing from the boys.
Yeah, overall I'm really happy. This tournament is not over yet, so we have still got 2 games left. So yeah, we need to win them. We'll play for win every game.
All the best for future games. Time to call upon the player of the match. And he is none other than the second centurion of the league, and who has scored the highest individual score of all 4 seasons, 139 not out, Hardik Tamore. 64 balls for his 139 runs, 18 fours and 7 sixes with a strike of 217. First you will receive the trophy from Neelam ma'am. Then you will receive the sunscreen from 6 strong from Prashant sir, and then there's a sculpted nutrition also which Prashant sir will hand over you. The kind of name Hardik Tamore is, someone was expecting that kind of a special knock from you, and today you delivered it.
Yes, actually first 2 match I just got out on ducks, but management has shown me a great. So I just wanted to thank Jalal sir and everyone because they have shown faith on me, and I just wanted to score in this match. So when I went to bat on, so first of all, first 2-3 hours I was not getting the ball, so I was just thinking to bat till the last because I knew that I can play any shot and I can hit any bowler at any time.
And last 3 overs were remaining and you won 131. Was there 150 in your mind, or you were just thinking just to play the game as it is going?
First of all, in T20 we can't think about individual because team score is very important. If we think about my 150, then we will have not scored 246 something. So for me, team is important than personal score.
Wow, that's a great gesture. Well done. All the best for future games. So that is all from this post-match presentation. See you tomorrow in the morning.